Good morning, students. Today we are going to start chapter 13, symmetry. Okay. Firstly, we will do the introduction part of this chapter. Clear? Firstly, we will see what is symmetry. Okay. Symmetry as in an important geometrical concept. Clear? Which we can see all around our nature. Okay. It is very useful concept. You have already seen the symmetry in leaves, butterflies, and many monuments also. You can see the symmetry in clothes, leaves, and even in human faces. Okay. Clear? uh, See, in this leaf symmetry is there. Suppose if we will mark a line in between this, then both the sides, this is in of equal size and equal shape, equal design. Clear? This is called symmetry. Whenever we fold this leaf, okay, it will overlap. Clear? See, the butterfly, if we will draw a line in between this, okay, whenever we will, suppose we will fold this, it will overlap. Okay, this is called line of symmetry. See, in this Taj Mahal also, whenever we will draw a line of symmetry in between this, both the sides are equal. Okay, this is called symmetry, means same part is on both the sides. Yeah. So, this side and this side also. Okay, we can write the definition of this symmetry. A figure is called geometrical about a line if when it is folded about that line, the two parts of the figure coincide with each other. Okay, a figure is called symmetrical about a line. This is that line. Okay, whenever we will fold that figure, it will, the two parts will coincide each other, means they, both that parts will overlap each other. Okay, and the line is called line of symmetry. Okay, this line is called line of symmetry. Okay, this is all about this symmetry chapter. Suppose these are the figures given here. This figure is given. If we will draw a line of symmetry, we will draw a line here, then this line will divide this figure in equal two parts. Whenever we will fold this figure from with this line over, it will overlap each other. Okay, like this. Same here. This is the line of symmetry. Clear? This is your work for today. That you firstly you will write A to Z alphabets, capital alphabets you will write from A to Z, and you will draw lines of symmetry there. Clear? How many lines of symmetry in each alphabet? See, A, one line of symmetry. Whenever we will fold this, then it will okay, in you can write, you can say, whenever we will draw this line of symmetry, it's both the sides are, both the sides of this line of symmetry are equal. Okay, B, we can say that these alphabets have one line of symmetry. Okay, we have these type of alphabets which have two lines of symmetry also. See, I am just giving you example. You will draw all the, firstly you will write all the alphabets, capital alphabets, from A to Z, then you will draw the lines of symmetry like this, as I have done. Okay, you will also draw, and in between, upon that you will write 1 1 1, means how many lines of symmetry are here. See, this is X, here two lines of symmetries are there. Here you will write two lines of symmetry. Here F, suppose we will take F, R, you can take P, R, P, Q. There we have zero line of symmetry. See, we cannot draw any line here. Okay, and O. Many line of symmetries are there. Clear? In this way you will do. Okay. Okay, thank you.